Welcome to a One Paella channel. I'm Jay and today we're cooking the shrimp paella. The shrimp paella has 3 different shrimps and its ingredients are as follows. First, paella rice, chopped tomatoes, onion and garlic, and our special seafood and rockfish stock, as well as saffron, paprika, and paella mix. So, let's get on with it. Let's add the onion and garlic. Let's start by adding a bit of oil. As usual, we're gonna add extra virgin olive oil. Let's start by adding our onion and garlic. All right. Kitchen towel. Grab a hold of your pan and let's bring that to the oily parts, so we can fill that onion and garlic with oil, and then we're gonna bring it to the dry part to finish cooking. Let's add the chopped tomatoes. Okay, let's move those tomatoes around. Let's add a bit of paprika. Half a teaspoon is enough. All right. Let's add a bit of saffron, pure saffron that is. All right. And let's add the remainder of our paella mix that we had from the other day that we made the lobster paella last time. So we have half left, so let's add it as well. Now is a good time to add our rice. As usual, we're using 300 grams of rice because we're making 3 portions. Okay. Let's move the rice around for a bit. It's time to add our delicious seafood and rockfish stock. Slowly. Slowly. There you go. Nice. Nice. We're gonna add around 900 milliliters because we're using 300 grams of rice. At this time, we're turning our paella burner to the maximum level so that heats up quickly. Let's add a bit of salt. And let's wait for a bit while that boils with a bit of music. Okay, let's fix that paella for a bit. Let's give it a bit of shake. All right. That paella is about to boil. Okay, we're starting to get a nice boil. In no time, we're gonna reduce it to 50%. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, at this time I'm lowering the paella burner power down to 50%. Something like that. Okay, let's start by adding our first set of shrimps. This is the standard shrimp. We're gonna put it on the outside. We've used this shrimp before to make the seafood paella and other paella, the mixed paella, other paellas that we've made before. Okay, one more. There you go. Let's keep going with our medium white shrimp. You can tell these are quite different, and we're gonna add, that's enough. And then we have the little red shrimp. It's beautiful, it's absolutely delicious. Don't be fooled by its size. And let's see, we can fit a few more. This is a pretty filled paella, if you ask me. If you serve me this, I wouldn't complain whatsoever. But we have more. We have some peeled shrimp that we had left over from the lobster paella. So I don't throw anything away, I just reuse it in a different paella, and so can you. Okay, as usual, when we add ingredients, let's give it a little shake. There wasn't a little shake, there was a really nice shake. But when you add that many ingredients, that's what you need. So, let's try the rice for the first time. Clean the spoon. Let's see. Okay, that rice is about 50%. We're doing well. I would add though a tiny bit more of salt. So don't forget to taste your salt, and if it needs fixing, then add a bit more later. It's always a good policy not to add too much at the beginning, because you may end up with too much salt. So a bit at the beginning, and then you can fix it later. We're gonna start to turn over all the shrimp so that they cook evenly on both sides. I can see some of here that need turning, others are deep enough so they can cook on both sides. So this one is to turn over. This one will be down a bit. See, if you sink it a bit, it will cook on both sides. This one will just turn it over as well. Okay guys, in this point in time, I would like to add a tiny bit more of the stock, of the seafood and rockfish stock, just to finish to cook that rice. Alright. Okay. So we're just gonna try the rice in a couple of minutes and see how we're doing. But so far, the paella is looking absolutely amazing. So why don't you stay a bit with some music. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the little bell so you can see our future videos when we bring them out. let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon from a different place. Okay, that rice is around 65%, so it needs a bit more cooking. Enjoy a bit more of that Spanish music. Let's try the rice for the third time. Different clean spoon and in a different place. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, that rice is around, I would say, almost 80%. So we're gonna leave it a couple of more minutes and then we're gonna bring it to our kitchen. Okay guys, our paella is done. We're gonna give it the last shake and bring it to our kitchen. Okay guys, here is our shrimp paella. Doesn't that look fantastic? We're gonna serve it on our plate now, so you know what it would look like if you had it in front of you. Alright everyone, it's time to enjoy this shrimp paella. Ooh. Shrimpy. Let's add some rice randomly. And don't forget that you can visit us at iwantpaella.eu. We have a paella blog where you have a lot of articles. Come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. We're waiting for you.